Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wix to create an online store. First, select an e-commerce plan that fits your business needs, as this unlocks all the necessary store functionalities. Next, choose from hundreds of professionally designed templates, ensuring your store has a polished and appealing look. Finally, customize the design to perfectly align with your brand's unique identity, making it truly yours. Once your store's foundation is set, it's time to add your products. Upload clear, high-resolution images and craft engaging descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Organize your items into logical categories, set competitive pricing, and define various product options like size or color. Wix also provides robust inventory management tools, helping you effortlessly track stock levels and avoid overselling. A crucial step is setting up secure payment processing. Wix allows you to integrate popular gateways like PayPal, Stripe, and its own Wix Payments, offering your customers multiple convenient options. Next, configure your shipping rules. You can define various methods including flat rates, weight-based shipping, or even free shipping for orders over a certain amount, ensuring a smooth checkout experience for everyone. Before launching, thoroughly preview your entire store to ensure everything looks and functions perfectly across different devices. Once you're confident, hit publish. To attract customers, optimize your store for search engines using Wix's built-in SEO tools. Additionally, leverage Wix's marketing features, such as email campaigns and social media integrations, to promote your products and drive sales effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.